Hi, my name is Adam EJSMONT. I'm one of the co-founders and the COO of ECO Analytics. We are a location intelligence company, helping other companies to better understand the real world through data and AI. And we are a very proud partner of Displayce. Well, location data brings certain dynamic aspect to digital out of home because they are placed in the real world, in the physical world that is constantly changing and moving. So it starts from the places data, understanding what businesses are around the inventory. How can you optimize possibly the content you show on the inventory? Also applying to this foot traffic data, knowing what are the top hours, when people are actually visiting those areas. And even for measurement, are people actually seeing the things, going to the places of what you showed from your inventory, from your content? So it's really applicable throughout the entire value chain that exists in the digital out of home. Well, if you want to be successful in using POIs in the out of home, I think the best practice is not to do it alone. Because we've been working with point of interest data for years ourselves. So honestly, the most important is to have accurate recent data, because otherwise it will not give you much help. So that's something that I would recommend as a first place. Another thing is really to think about how do you select the specific categories and types of places, and what do you also enrich them with, because point of interest is a great first layer, but you can add so much more to it. Visitation, frequentation, how loyal visitors are specific areas. You can use POIs also for geo-conquesting. So don't look only for your own point of interest, your own point of sales, but also look for point of sales of your competitors and see how you can actually geo-conquest using this type of data and digital out of home. Well, I think location advertising in general, digital out of home as well, are very closely connected, because with the entire scare of the cookie-less world and IDs going away, I think there is a need for more aggregated analysis and non-PII ways of advertising, which we really believe in at ECO. And that's what we are crunching our data for and enabling great partners like Displayce achieve those kind of goals. So in the end, any type of location advertising that doesn't require the use of personal identifiers and kind of exposing user data, it has a great future, because that's what brands are looking for. Everybody's becoming more conscious of that. So I think this is where mostly it is going. It's hard to say, because we are recording this day one midway through the day, but I think the first takeaway, it's growing again, which is great. There is more and more people coming here, and it's getting really crowded. That's great. A lot of good conversations, and kind of key takeaways. We see that there is a very big shift towards TV, very big shift towards out of home. And those discussions that before were really a little bit underrepresented because of the entire kind of cookie discussion and mobile ad IDs discussions, I think that's something that is really being brought up this year much more. So looking forward to what the next day and a half will bring.